Well, hey guys, for another video. Today we're back at the Airplane Museum, South Wales. If you haven't watched my last video, which was about, that 737 at this exact plane museum. So, this is a Super Guppy. I'll take you to the writing now if you would mind, if you would like to pause it while it's at the writing. So this is the writing. Airbus assembly. All that nonsense. I do not even read. Sorry if you can't really see it. Sorry. So anyways, that is the writing. Anyways, let's go see the inside. Oh god, oh god. So, this is the inside, I guess. Just get up. That's the cockpit. And this is how you so just set it down in the chair. Now I'm turning the wheel. This is how they turn the aircraft, all those aircraft fans, all people watching. So now, let's get up. Did I just hit? Nothing too bad. Hope it just doesn't break. But if it does break, I will still be okay. Same as it's the same. Now let's get out. So that's the video of the Super Guppy. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll get here for another video sometime soon.